This is it. Why am I? It's time, sis. It's time. It's unboxing day. My first magazine is here. Customs. We went through customs, y'all. London, Colchester, Essex, United Kingdom, the Harlem girl, the Uganda girl, yes! TBH, I kind of want to leave it in the plastic forever. You know, like a classic vinyl, but gang, gang. Gang, gang. Ooh. Oh, God. It's so hefty. That's right. Moving units over here, moving weight over here. Shout out to everybody who's been buying multiple copies. Thank you. Listen, now let me tell y'all something about Moon Magazine, okay? They had Lee Scratch Perry on the cover of issue 4, okay? And if you don't know who that is, you need to get on your Google. Oh my God, the photography. It looks so good. It's so crisp. Actual poems in here as well. They have an article on the cover artist, which is classic. It's iconic. So happy to be a part. Unique Magazines out of UK called A Rock of Our Times. They put out a dope tweet recently. It's like such good things. I'm so happy with the photography and the way the pages feel. But let's get into. I just see my page. I just see my page. I didn't know my picture was gonna be that big. Oh my God. Wait a minute. And now that's when I started seeing all the other artists that were highlighted in this issue. I was like, wow, this is powerful, man. To open up, like, I'm humbled, I'm grateful. Like, these people are doing the work, okay? But oh shit. Thoughts become things. I'm not dead. I'm alive. I'm living, motherfucker. I'm out here. I'm outside. And matter of fact, I'm overseas, bitch. They don't know what I've been through, yo. Oh no, I didn't want to cry. No. They don't know what I've been through, yo. Thank y'all. Thank you. If you've been through certain things where your survival was challenged at a very basic level, even just mentally and emotionally, I think you maybe have a few more coping mechanisms than others. And you just charge yourself with like, well, okay, this isn't going to be the reason why, I'm going to go completely off the rails. And it is a challenge, but it's become a reflex for me. Like changing my wake up routine. I'm looking at all my relationships, all the patterns that I was in, that things kept happening with certain people or even with new people. And I'm asking myself why, and really looking at myself, like how I'm communicating, and even down to where I live and the relationship, the intimate relationships I was in and what I was eating. Like, I'm happy to report from the field of being in the trenches with the rest of the human race that staying positive to that degree, it gets so much better. And while all the bad things pop off and things happen and plot twists, you can get to a place where you're not affected. Amen? Amen? Amen. Shit in here about hip hop and art and movies and film and photography and Uganda and Harlem. Poetry of a Bigger Vision is part of an amazing issue number 7, available now. Buy the single issue or just sign up for a subscription when these come out. It's a quarterly journal of art, poetry, music, debate, and dissent. So if any of that strikes your fancy, or you just want to support your girl and be on the ride of where this is going, thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank y'all. Peace.